The first four counts are the same. Go lead her forward, 1, and rotate her, and keep both hands on her. And 3 and I'm staying in the same place, but I'm sending her to the right. 3 and normal width is 4, just here. But if we want to do a outside turn, 3 and 4, I open up. Okay. On the 5, use the right hand to turn her 5. 6, she turn and anchor step. Okay, one more time. 1, 2, 3, and 4. See, I open. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Let's turn on this direction. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. So really the turn was happening on 6. Then we also did the follow the lady on the whip. 1, 2, 3, and 4. This is normal whip. 5 here. Normal whip, we would just send her 6, 7, and 8 to finish. But on the 4, this is a 4. It's not an outside turn, so it's just small frame. 5 is the same. But 6, I follow her, 6, and anchor, 7, and 8. Leave her far away, but still both hands on her. Then lead her a left side pass with inside turn. And stay looking at her. 1, 2, on the 3, and 4, 5, and 6. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. If you want to turn your head, you need to turn very sharp. And let me show you 2 places we can turn the head. The purpose is to look at down the road if it's clear. 1, 2, 3, and 4 here. And look at the chart. 5, 6, 7, and 8. And 1, 2, 3, and 4. So there are 2 places you can turn the head, make it cool to the side. Then we had a reverse whip. Use a pinky to pinky reverse hold. Normal whip, she turned this way, but we want to turn her to the left. Leader step are identical. 1, 2 on the 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Only the first 4 steps are different. The second half you can do any pattern. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, from this angle. Maybe this angle you can see better the end. 1, 2. On the 3 I start twisting her head. 3 and let go. 4. It's important you need to lead her forward. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, that's a reverse whip. And we have a pretzel. Shake hand position. 1, 2. I bring her face me. 3 and on the 4, I only loop through her head. We don't want to do this. This is too salsa, like 3 and 4. Then anchor, I slide down this big end. 5 and 6. From here, I'm still outside. I can lead her 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Okay, go this angle. Reverse. The pretzel. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. All right, that's it.
Thank you.